Hello everyone, we are a group of four, and this is our phase 2 video demo for our project Shelfwise, a smart library system for organizing and management. So our team members are Abhijit Reddy Paila, Sri Sai Varun Bondalapati, Srinivas Potla, and me, Samanvit Reddy Chellapalli. So in this video, we'll show you our database design, populated data, and SQL queries in the PostgreSQL. So first, let's start with the ER2 relational model diagram. So as you can see here, we have designed 6 tables based on our ER diagram. The 6 tables that you can see are books, library members, librarians, transactions, member books, and transaction books. So each table has appropriate primary key. We have used foreign keys to maintain relationships. So for example, in the transaction, member ID and librarian ID, these are the foreign keys. And we also use 2 junction tables, member books and transaction books, to track which member borrowed which book in a transaction and to track which books were involved in each transaction respectively. From here, my friend Warren will continue.
Hello. From here on, I'll be talking about the data population. For the data population, now let's look at the data we inserted into our tables. First, let's look at the books data table. So as you can see, this is the books data table. It has 5 rows, and we have created different entities called book ID, title, and author. I will also show you 2 other tables. One is the library members table. And the transactions table. So for this project, we added 5 sample books, 4 members, 2 librarians, and 4 transactions. For example, Johnson borrowed The Alchemist and and 1984 in transaction ID 1. We then added entries to the members book and transaction books junction table to reflect these borrowing records. This data was inserted using SQL insert commands. As you can see here in the example, we have used the insert command for all the different tables. So these are the 6 different tables we have inserted the data with. And that is how we have populated our data sets. From here on, my friend Abhijit is going to take over.
Hi, so let's talk about the SQL query covering application use cases. So the select query, select from books, this query basically lists all of our books in the library. So as you can see, the 5 books. Uh, so let's see how it works. So after I ran this, you can see it's displaying the entity there. And next, I have the query 2. So this query basically shows all the active members. So let's try. And after running the query, here we can see that the members with the active membership status is displayed here.
Hi, my name is Srinivas, and I'll be talking about the insert, update, and the delete queries. So, the insert query adds a new librarian. So, this query registers a new librarian into the system. So, let me demonstrate this. Yeah, so it had an insert 0. So the next one is the update query, which changes a member's status. This query sets the member ID to inactive. Let's run this. As you can see, the member ID got updated. And the next one is the delete query. Yeah, so the delete query deletes a member by the name. This deletes the member name Chloe Davis from the system. Let me run this. As we can see, the member got deleted. So yeah, that concludes our demonstration for a phase 2 of shelf-wise. We have shown the AI to relational transformation, data population, and the SQL queries as per the requirements. Thank you for watching.